What's up, guys? So I only have 60 days to build this truck before our wedding, and we want to use this truck as our wedding truck. And so I'm gonna be doing a bunch of little short videos, trying to just run y'all through it without going too deep into detail. But yep, here we go. All right, so we got a 59 Chevy Apache step side. We're gonna be doing full air ride, front and back. So right now I'm doing a Mustang 2 Heidts front control arm kit. I just got these plates welded in. Got to grind them down smooth. That way we can weld in the cross member and stuff. But so what I did to get these in, took the steering box out, took all the suspension off. Then I straightened the frame from here to where it's the narrowest, which is 1 7/8, all the way back. Tacked the top in, and then cut the bottom with a grinder. Same thing on this side. We're welded in. Top hat and cross members tacked in place. Put the control arms on this side and been looking at it for like a few hours now, last night, this morning, and I've decided that it's where I want it. I'm not gonna be running 22s because they look too big for the truck, on the front at least. So I'm probably gonna go with some 20s. But yep, so next step is to pull the control arms off, and then I'm gonna finish welding everything up. And once it's welded up, I'll get back with y'all. Oh, turn up the heat and wet that bitch up.